School ended. Nobody handed you a manual, not for the silence. That came after, not for the panic. Hiding inside the freedom, not for the identity that disappeared when the bell stopped ringing. 12 years of structure. Then, nothing. This is that manual. This isn't advice. Advice is what people give you when they don't understand your situation. This is a list of realities. 6 of them. Each one names something you've been calling by the wrong word. The first weeks after you leave feel wrong. Not free, not exciting, wrong. That feeling has a name: behavioral withdrawal. Your nervous system was conditioned for 12 years of external commands. Bell rings, you move. Teacher speaks, you respond. Deadline arrives, you produce. Now there's nothing, and your brain doesn't know what to do with completely unscheduled time. This is not laziness. This is what happens when a machine stops receiving input. They're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're playing 2 different games now. Their scoreboard has grades, timelines, career paths. Yours doesn't have a scoreboard yet. That gap will widen before it closes. Expect it. Don't fight it. Don't explain yourself. Just move. Most people take the first job, hoping it's the answer. It isn't, it's the experiment. What you're testing is simple. Can you show up when nobody is forcing you? Can you perform when there's no grade at the end? Pass that test. The job doesn't matter, the answer does. You sit still. People call you unmotivated. What they don't see, your brain won't engage with things that have no structure, no logic, no visible endpoint. This is not a character flaw. This is a signal you're not lazy, you're in the wrong environment. Change the environment, not yourself. You can learn a skill in 6 months, you can earn in 12. But figuring out who you are outside the student identity, that takes longer. Most people rush the money. They should rush the identity first, because income without direction is just faster confusion. Discipline is doing what you said you'd do. Self-direction is knowing what to say in the first place. School never taught self-direction. It outsourced every decision: what to study, when to arrive, what the goal was. You received a destination every single day for 12 years. Now you don't. The skill isn't working harder. It's deciding what to work toward. That decision is the entire game. 6 realities, not 6 problems. 6 things you were already living through without the vocabulary to name them. You're not broken. You're running software designed for a system that no longer exists. Install the update yourself.